Our STEM Inclusivity Forum is dedicated to uplifting those who are usually underrepresented in STEM, those who are usually underserved in STEM, and really empowering them to take on tech opportunities.
What's the legacy? What's the change you want to achieve in your next 10 years? And whether entrepreneurship, social impact, and technology might be some of the things that you choose to embark on. And of women, economic empowerment of women as well, and advocacy. So our motto is 50% of revenue from the photos we sell goes back directly to the women.
Our mission is really to create, open and intergenerational spaces for BIPOC and LGBTQIA women, non-binary folks to really gather and help build technology together.
An organization or let's say a scholarship, something like that. Anything that revolves around creating change and advocating for needs in their community.
Currently the Chief of Staff for the Customer Success and Adoption Group. I am also the leader of the Customer Success Racial Equality and SteerCo, as you call, or you might heard the task force that we've actually launched last year.
Being at Technovation has really helped to reframe my mind of what is possible, who can do science, who can do technology.
In school and talking with my friends about how much technology is impacting all of our everyday lives, but so many of us don't necessarily understand the types of technologies that are actually at play that are helping determine and shape all of the decisions that we're making in the world.
And then we allow young people to use their life experiences to create change. So youth who work with us also get case management and career coaching, and we want to best support their needs.
And we want to reflect our society, not just by women and men, but by age as well.
And I found Technovation and I saw that I could actually solve a problem. That ability to have a change or an impact in my community was really interesting to me.
Being able to work for NASA, even only as an intern, I get to work on really cool things and really make a difference for space exploration and just humankind in general.
I want to say thank you again for everyone that was able to come out and participate, and we're very happy to be able to host this, and it was an honor to be able to host this.